Hey, what's up guys? This is Spencer from Pixel and Bracket. I know it's been forever, many moons, but I'm back. I want to record a couple more tutorials in this room before we move to my very own Pixel and Bracket room. It's going to be a whole different setup, buying a new desk. It's going to be great. Coming up in like 2-3 weeks. But until then, we're going to talk about aligning to key objects. Mainly, I'm going to show you how to select a key object here. It's been a part of a lot of my tutorials, but not necessarily a tutorial itself. So let's dive in. All right, so we have some objects on the screen here. Just some squares, some circles, some things. So aligning to a key object. What is a key object? A key object is essentially an object out of your group of selections, or out of your selection, that you are going to align everything to that object, or distribute everything from that object, or anything to that specific key object. That's why they call it a key object. So what we want to do here, let's say you just have two things. You just have these two guys right here. You'd want to select both of them. And see, we got this bounding box of the selection, and we have a little blue line around each object that's been selected. Now if I go up to Window and open my alignment panel, that's Shift F7. My little alignment panel pops out. You might not have all the options. You can just click this hamburger menu, Show Options. Okay, so if we go to Align To, we can align to the selection, the artboard, or the key object. Now, sometimes this is grayed out. If it's not, it's probably just going to pick one. But I'm going to show you how to pick exactly the one you want. So we have this selection here. I want to align this square to this circle. All I have to do is click on that circle, okay? So basically, I select both, and now click on the one I want my key object to be. So click on the circle. Now it's got a darker blue line. It's the key object. So I can do all of these different commands, and that's going to align anything else to this key object. So for instance, if I want to align my vertical center here, I can do that. And it's going to bring that square down right there along with it. So in the same way, I could do the same thing to all the rest of these. Could select everything, click on a key object. Let's say we want to align everything to this bottom circle. So click on it. Now align vertical, just like that. Let's say I want to line them up the other way, so it's horizontal centers, so it's going to kind of line them up vertically. I could click this one here. And that lines them, oops, sorry. I don't have a key object selected, so everything moved. I gotta click on that key object. Remember the bluer highlight, the darker blue highlight, and then I could click on horizontal align center. That's gonna bring everything to the center this way. Very useful stuff. I use it all the time. Like, seriously, all the time. Aligning to key objects, you select all the objects and then click on the one you want to be the key object. That's how that works. And then you can use different alignment tools to align them in different ways based on that object. You know what? I've done this before. I'm going to jump back in. So here's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to distribute these evenly from the key object. So for instance, if I want this to be my key object and everything to be distributed by, let's say, 25 pixels between each object, first thing I'm going to do is bring them down so they're all in line. So I'm going to just click on vertical align center. Okay, so now they're all lined up, but they're not exactly, see how this square is closer and stuff. So what I can do, since I still have that key object selected, distribute spacing. I can say, hey, let's do 25 pixels in between each. And then let's go ahead and distribute that. I believe this is the one I want to click. Yes, it is. So now there's 25 pixels between each. I could do 50 pixels between each, and that's going to distribute them with 50 pixels in between each of these shapes. That's also a very useful thing. I just wanted to show you guys some of the ways to align. I know just selecting the key object is pretty simple. I probably made it more complicated than it needed to be. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys around a lot more. I promise. Like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. I'll see you guys next time.